Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm your friend Rafael and you're watching Carros Diecast. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and hit that like button, guys. I really appreciate it. Today we're gonna be doing a review, unboxing of 3 sets of these, the 5 cars, Hot Wheels. I purchased them not too long ago and I would like to go ahead and take them out the box for you guys so you guys can check them out and see if you want to consider buying them for yourselves, for your collection. Today we're gonna go ahead and open them. Let's go ahead and take them outside the box. Let's start off with this one. We already got it open. There's 5 cars in here, 5 Hot Wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and switch the camera for you guys so you guys can check it out. To start off, we have the first Hot Wheels Exotics 5-pack, which includes the Pagani Huayra Roadster right here. Check it out, very nice car, very sporty, very detailed. The next one, we have a Lamborghini Sesto Elemento right here in the middle. This one right here, guys, very bright red with a couple racing stripes, couple tempos, front headlights, no tampos in the back, spoiler right there, black wheels. All these are plastic bases. Next one, guys, we have a Lamborghini Gallardo LP 574 Superleggera. This one right here, check it out, guys, very bright green with the Lamborghini tampo in the middle. We have the headlights tampos, decal on the side with black wheels. All these are mid-engine vehicles. That's mid-engine vehicle, mid-engine vehicle. This one as well is a mid-engine vehicle, except this one right here, the Aston Martin, that's a front engine vehicle. All right, guys, let's move on to the next. We have a Lotus Esprit S1. This one right here, guys, that's a very sporty car. It's a two-door car. We have some chrome wheels, steering wheel on the left side. That's got a wedge look to it, similar to this one. It's a lovely car, guys. I really like it. I wouldn't mind having one of those in real life. Alrighty, all these are two-door sport cars. On to the next, we have a Aston Martin V8 Vantage. This one right here, black wheels with yellow rim on the outside. We have some headlight tampos. We got a racing stripes in the middle. That one does not have a spoiler. Very nice set. That's why I had to have it for my collection. So there it is, the first 5-pack cars. Let's go ahead and open up the other ones and set them to the side. Okay, we're gonna continue with the Hot Wheels Flames Hot Wheels 5-pack car. First up, we have the Passion Gasser. Check it out, guys, very nice. It's a hot pink color with flames on the side, chrome wheels. Check out that front, very aggressive. Oh wow, check this out. Very wide tires on the back, skinny tires on the front. This is what's considered a gasser vehicle. Wow, so seems to be a 1-seater car with a roll bar. Check out that engine. So seems to be a V8 big block engine. It's very nice. Check it out, guys. Check out those tires on the back. Split window in the back. Very lovely, guys. I like it. All right. Up next, we have a 71 El Camino. All these are Hot Wheel Flames. They got flames on the sides. Check out those wheels with matching paint color. The bottom is plastic chrome base. Check out that chrome bumper and grille. We have a raised hood scoop on the front and side mufflers on this one. Very nice, very nice. I like it. Check out the back. All right, guys. This one doesn't have the brake tampos, light tampos, or front headlight tampos. Only tampos we have is the flames on the side. Okay, on to the next. Next up, we have a 70 Plymouth Superbird. Wow, that's a very sparkly, bright color we got with some flames on the side, plastic base, sporty wheels with red arrow. This is a very nice car, guys. Check it out. Check out that spoiler. This car right here, the Superbird, I believe is the one with the highest spoiler that I've seen in real life. We got the mufflers on the middle in the bumper section. This is a two-door, four-seater, guys, with air intakes right here, hood scoops on the sides. It's got a very pointy front bumper. This right here is a air dam. All the air hits it and goes in the engine bay. I like this car right here, very nice. Check it out, guys. Hope you guys like it. On to the next. Next up, we have a 71 Maverick Grabber. Wow, check out that paint, guys. Very shiny, sparkly. Hot Wheels did a great job on this. Colors right here, the Hot Wheel flames. We got some black 5-spoke wheels, same size front and back. All of them seem to have chrome. Oh no, check that one. Okay, not all of them, but this one's a chrome base with plastic tires. This is as well two-door, four-seater car. Check out that front, guys, very nice. Chrome bumper with slotted grille and two round headlights. Check out that hood with two little air inlets. All right, on to the next. Up next, we have a 70 Roadrunner, guys. Flat red color with flames on the side. This as well is a 5-spoke wheel with a Hot Wheels stamp on the side. Air inlet right there. Two-door car with seats on the back. I like the front of this car. The Roadrunner seems to have two headlights on each side. Wow, very nice. Okay. Let me know in the comments which one's your favorite so far. In my opinion, I'm leaning more to these ones. Something about them. Classic muscle cars, bright color, flames, white tires. Alrighty, let's continue. Let's set these to the side. Here we have the Lamborghini 5-car set. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here's the back of it. Check this out, very sporty looking, very highly detailed. This is the Lamborghini Veneno right here. Check out that bright gold looking color. Looks great, guys, with black wheels. We got some wider wheels on the back, skinny tires on the front. So Lamborghini Veneno, Hot Wheels, plastic base. We got some tampos integrated on this one. Tampo headlight, the Lamborghini emblem in the middle with two arrows in the front. None on the back. This car right here is a mid-engine vehicle, two-door, two-seater. Check out that side air intake right there. Wow, very nice, guys. Look at that rear of the vehicle, very aggressive looking. Got a split spoiler. I really like the color on this one, very nice. Up next, we have a Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. We have tampos on the headlight, tampo Lamborghini emblem, very aggressive looking on the front. We have a yellow hood scoop on the roof, 63 on the side with yellow wheels. This as well is a two-door, two-seater car, mid-engine. A very tall, wide spoiler on this one, much bigger than this one. Okay, on to the next one. We have a Lamborghini Murcielago Super Veloce. Right here we have the Super Veloce emblem on the side. We have 5-spoke wheels, plastic base on the bottom, grayish color, mid-engine as well. No tampos on the tail lights, some tampos on the front headlights, Lamborghini emblem, racing stripes on the hood. Up next, we have the Lamborghini Aventador J. This is a white color car. This is a two-seater vehicle. Left-hand drive with no windshield on this one. Very interesting. I believe this is the windshield right here, but not much. Very small windshield. I don't think I've seen this vehicle in person. Very interesting. Side scoop on the side of the car, mid-engine as well. Check out those wheels, very interesting. Okay, we got some wider wheels on the back. Got some headlight tampos, Lamborghini tampo in the middle, 2 stripes on the front. All of them seem to have stripes on the hood. Finally, we have a Lamborghini Gallardo LP 574 Superleggera. That's a very long name, guys, but there it is. Superleggera right there on the side with some stripe on the side. We got chrome wheels on this one. I think this is one of my favorites. This one and that one seem to be my favorite so far. Check it out, guys. We have a 2-door, 2-seater mid-engine vehicle. We got some tinted glass on this one. Mid-size spoiler, not too small, not too aggressive, just right in my opinion. All right, guys, there you have it. 3 sets of 5-pack Hot Wheels. Let me know which one was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you for your support to the channel. I'll be doing some more videos in the future, so stick around and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.